Welcome to a quick review of what GCF LearnFree can offer our patrons beyond simple job help. One may access GCF from our website over here under the eLibrary tab, and then going by topic, it'll show up in both Homework Center and under Find the Job. At the moment, it is not a featured resource, so it doesn't show up in this initial listing. Got to scroll down to the lengthier alphabetical listing below that. But don't go looking for GCF in the G's. It's a collection of online tutorials, so it actually appears here under O for online. Up on the top right is a scrolling set of new tutorials that GCF is promoting on basically any topic they're working with. Right here we have a set of tutorials dealing with the latest version of Microsoft Office. But there are many times that a patron will come into the library looking for some help with an older version of Office, maybe Microsoft Word 2007. If you click here on this one, Microsoft Office, this brings up a set of categories for each suite since Office 2000. Click on the Office 2007. Here's the individual tutorial groupings for each part of 2007. Click on Word. And there we have a whole bunch of tutorials dealing specifically with Word 2007. These tiles, reading, math, and everyday life, take you to videos and tutorials which offer practical tips and help on everything from using commas correctly to solving word problems, reading labels on food items at the grocery store, and even the proper use of a grill. The technology area right here, subdivided into these general categories. And something that is of value for us here in the library is online safety. Patrons often come in wanting material about how to help their kids be safe online. Go right here to Internet Safety for Kids. A whole set of tutorials, including even a quiz that should help parents help their children stay safe online. And there's even valuable stuff for us adults here at Internet Safety. Some of these tutorials have videos, which is noted there by that little box. If it doesn't have a video, there's no box. But if, say, you're at work, you want to read about avoiding spam and phishing, and it looks like there's only a video, oh no. Right here we have all the text and imagery you would have found had you watched the video, so no need for headphones. Now the information in this area is fairly basic, but when it comes to internet safety, I don't think its importance can be overstated. Now, GCF offers more than is immediately apparent from these tiles here. If you click on all topics, you bring up a list of all the tutorial groupings GCF offers, and there's quite a bit more than what initially appeared. Something that is of value to us here in the library, under Living in the Online World, here at this big blue box, we find devices. We'll click on iPhone Basics. And in among all these mini tutorials about how to use your iPhone for things such as sending messages, taking photos, is installing and managing apps. Click right there. Here's a nice long rundown about how to browse the App Store, select the correct app, switch in between them, install, and update it. That is gcflearnfree.org. Thanks.